What is up? It's your boy Aing bringing to you a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger. We're gonna try another DIY mod. The last video I made, I did the DIY bed storage. We're good. And on the way to the beach, it actually didn't move as much as I expected it to. We still want to get a bed mat. Now, on Amazon, they're kind of nowhere to be found right now. It's around 130 bucks, and well, it's like a week out, and I can't wait a week. I'm thinking about ordering it, and if I can make it before, then I'll cancel the order. So right now, we're gonna go to Walmart, we're gonna go to Lowe's and Home Depot. What I'm looking for is some rubber matting, and then I can cut it into the shape that I need it to be. Also, I need plastic dip. I'm thinking about plastic dipping that, and then maybe, just maybe, do the grill. But now, we're at Walmart, so let's get this show on the road. Okay, so we found it. We have this one. Lowe's and Home Depot have them for like the same price, and then you can buy like 5 or 6 of them, babe, for like $40. But I think one should be fine. I can't record for a long time at a time in here because of the music, and now we gotta find some rubber flooring. Now we found some, but wasn't what we were looking for, so the search continues. I think I just found the winning solution. Sandy hooked it up. I was gonna go to Lowe's and get like an industrial rubber mat and just cut it how I needed, but Sandy found some doormats that actually work pretty well. Take a look at this. It doesn't feel like it's moving very much. That was me trying to move it. We'll have to see. So we're walking around 4 miles to get back to the truck. I genuinely didn't think that this would work. I came here mainly for the plastic dip because Sandy has like a credit card, and I think it's like 5% back. That's why we came here for the plastic dip. But she saw these floor mats, she looked it up, and they had them. They have 8 of them. I don't know if this is gonna be enough. I hope, fingers crossed, this would be the cheapest way. It's like $3 per each, and we got 8. I think we needed 9. But we got 8 because that's all they had. We're gonna go to Lowe's just to make sure that they don't have something a little bit better. All right, so it doesn't move. That, I'm excited. Shout out to the 2nd gen rockin' 3rd gen wheels. I mean, that thing is looking, I think it's looking pretty nice. I like the headlights on it. So we're at Lowe's. We just gotta go in and hopefully, just maybe, find a nice rubber bed mat substitution. I genuinely don't know what it is that we're looking for, but I think if we come across the right thing, I think we'll know. There was a few things that I saw online that I think will work, but of course you never know until you actually get it, and then that's if these people even have it in stock. So I guess once we get inside we'll find out. Fingers crossed though, fingers crossed, because the ones that I got now, it seems like it'll work, but it's kind of at an awkward length. So we'll see. We'll see what Lois got to bring.
Are those brown or bronze?
Those are bronze. That guy has a nice set of wheels. Cool. All right, so Sandy suggested it would be in the lawn and garden section.
I didn't suggest, I asked.
All right, so we found something. So this is $2.98. So this little thing is $2.98. This is what we were looking for.
This seems a little bit like more heavy.
Oh snap! This, I like this one. But how much is each one? Each one is $30. So this is not what I'm looking for at all. This is 30 bucks, and I would need 2 at least in the middle, and then 2 just for the extra pieces. 3, 6, 9, 12. I would rather just buy a bed mat. I'm gonna try to put this thing back.
Oh, good job.
Very nice. Also, baby, you didn't see this, but look, 6-pack gym flooring. Oh, but this is foam. I don't want to get like something that's made out of foam because, well, my truck's gonna be outside in the heat, in the cold, in the rain, and it's gonna get stinky. So we tried. Lois, we tried. We tried to get some rubber mats from you guys, but it just didn't work out. Walmart seems to just be clutch. Amazon had the bed mat that wasn't gonna arrive for like 2 to 3 weeks, so that's not fun. We usually don't have this much clutter in the back of the truck. We have a tent that we took to the beach because we thought we were gonna have like a full party there, but most of the people that were gonna go ended up not showing. Guys, I literally had to take a detour. Hopefully they're not in their car. Take a look at the beast that I just found. I'm definitely selling the Tacoma, and we gotta pick up one of these. Now I'm gonna leave before he finds me mocking his truck. I don't know, what do you guys think? That's like their TRD Pro. That is their most off-road capable truck. This video, we just have to see how this is about to work out. We have 8 of these, now we have to figure out how we're gonna lay them down. So,
put it up like this.
we're not gonna finish this in this video just because I wanna make sure I like what I'm doing, but just from what I'm looking at, this is looking pretty sick nasty. So, it looks like we got some extra flappage I don't know what I'm trying to say. We have some extra mat that we don't need. Like on this side, there's a little bit more, and on this side, there's a little bit less. And then right here, we just have a lot. What I'm thinking I'm gonna do, I'm thinking I'm gonna melt it. When it melts, it'll be able to adhere together a little bit easier. And that's what I think my game plan is going to be, is make it all one level so I don't have like flaps and bumps everywhere. This is what I'm looking for. That is what I needed. The one-handed YouTuber life is not the best. Perfect, literally perfect. I mean, this is not moving, it is not going anywhere, and that is exactly what I needed. So in the comment section, you are the man, the bomb diggity man right now, because I don't know what I'm gonna do. You guys are usually a lot smarter than me. Let me know, what do you guys think? Should I do something differently? My plan right now is to melt the edges of it, adhere them together, and then call it a day. Same was saying I could tape the bottom of it, make it all one thing. I don't know. I think the tape would kind of ruin the rubberiness of it. But let me know what you think. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. You guys are seeming to like the DIY type of videos. A lot of people are calling it specific names, but call me crazy on this one. So $288 per each for 8. It came out to be around $30.
25.
We'll call it 30 to be safe. $30 versus 130. I don't know. That's a whole lot of McDonald's for me. In my opinion, I saved a bunch of money. So with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. But with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm Mario like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Peace. Also, I'm sorry about that one video when I uploaded and it had no audio. I have absolutely no idea. I went back and checked on my computer. It does have audio, but for some reason on YouTube it doesn't. I don't know. I'm sorry. I really am.